Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Facebook stories and want to stop them from being archived automatically, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable archiving your stories on Facebook using your PC following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll be taken to your personal profile page. If you manage a page and want to change the settings for that page, click on the page's profile photo. This will bring you directly into the page's profile area. Next, look for the menu on the left side of your screen. Find and click on Settings and Privacy. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings from this list. Once you're in the Settings section, look for the Stories option. It might be listed under a category like Privacy or Profile Settings, depending on your layout. Click on Stories to open the story settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled Archiving Your Stories. By default, this feature may be turned on, which means every story you post is automatically saved to your archive. To disable this, simply toggle the switch off. Facebook will confirm that your stories will no longer be archived, and from now on, any new stories you post won't be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully disabled story archiving on Facebook from your PC. This gives you more control over your content and privacy, ensuring your stories disappear after 24 hours, just as you intended. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.